Students, good morning. Students who are in the online, am I audible, students? Come in. Okay. So now it's a time to see what about our previous session? Hmm? What is that? Hmm? What we are discussing? Google, are you clear? Unable to spell out properly also. Spell out once. Google, what you are doing with that? What you are learning in that project? What is the aim of that project? What is the aim of that project? To analyze which app having highest rate, 5-star rating, what are free. Already description given now. So once we read the coding and everything, you must understand about the project analysis. So that is called the aim of what? EDA projects. Okay, fine. And don't think that sir is standing today and teaching like that. Daily you will sit in the class and like that. So sometimes I want to stand and sometimes I want to sit. Okay, fine. So why I'm sitting is because I need to see like this. That's why I will sit, so it will be level to it. But continuous sitting is also not good. That's why I'm few times I want to stand up and I want to teach. Okay. Earlier I used to stand up only, but now this chair and this is balancing. Little comfortable in watching and everything. That's why. Okay. Continue the questions. So I hope that. So we did up to 10. 10. Have you practiced it? Hmm? Practiced? Not practiced. మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయకుండా వచ్చి ఏం చేస్తారా? So coming to the point back to our place. So these are the examples we did. These are the examples we did already. These are the various things we completed. These are the part one. This part one I sent already. The 10 questions I already sorted out, I think so. Now I'll go to the continuation part of that. Continuation part of it, I will do it. So go to that place. So here, so I'll go to the place. Start. ఎవరైనా who are you? Who are you? Who are you అంటే సిగ్గుపడతాయంటే who are you? Tell me, I will allow in the class. Who are you? Unknown person, right? Unknown person, allowed or not allowed? Allowed or not allowed? Allowed. So when somebody come to your home, somebody knocking the door, if you don't know, you will ask or not? Who are you? Ani? So like that I am asking. Who are you? Come in. So here, come to the point back. Now I will move to the import and us. Import and us as PD. As PD. Import NUMPY as NP. NUMPY as NP. అమ్మాయి రోజు లేట్ వస్తుంది ఈ అమ్మాయి కదమ్మా, రోజు లేట్ వస్తావు కదా. 7 o'clock ఈ రోజే కదా. డైలీ విల్ కమ్ లేట్. అమ్మాయిని బ్లాక్ డ్రెస్ అమ్మాయి పంపించండి ఫస్ట్. మరి బిలాంగ్స్ టు 7 o'clock. I mean both of them come daily. Backside girl will come daily late. Today the last working day for that late. Tomorrow onwards, if you come after I come, you will not be allowed. Take care. You also will come along with her. Friend, friends, outside, garbage collector will collect away. Sit down. So I'll ask one formula to you. Tell me, tell me one syntax of ILOC. ILOC, one syntax you tell me. Now I'll go to PD dot set underscore option, set underscore option. What is that? Yesterday's class. Yesterday's class to set my columns and everything. Hmm? Yesterday, have you practiced or not first? Display, display max, display maths or science, display dot max underscore what? Columns, comma, none, none. So this is the one I need to take care. This is the one which is taking care. ఏం అయిపోయిందా బుక్ చూడడం అయిపోయిందా? ఏం లేదు కదా, బుక్లు ఏం లేదు కదా, ఉన్నాయి మరి చెప్పు, మరి చూసినావు కదా బుక్. Tell me one syntax, you tell me. I said ILOC at least 8 to 9 syntaxes I said. So 8 to 9 syntaxes I said. Tell me one syntax, you tell me. Ma? Data frame object dot ILOC of row index, column index, column name. That is a blunder. ILOC will work only on column numbers, but not on column names. లేట్ రావడమే కాదు, ఇది కూడా రాదు. చూసినా కూడా చెప్పట్లేకపోతున్నాం, ఎందుకంటే మొబైల్ చేతిలో ఉంది కాబట్టి. అందుకని మొబైల్ కొద్దిగా పక్కన పెడితే అంత బాగుంటుంది. కూర్చో, రేపటి నుంచి లేటెస్ట్ అలౌ చేయను. స్పెషలీ నౌ భరత్ షాహు, భరత్ చాదు, ఆస్క్ క్వశ్చన్స్, లెట్ కమ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఓకే, సో ఆస్క్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఏదో అది ఇంగ్లీష్, అది క్రికెట్ ఇంగ్లీష్. అది బాల్ ఈజ్ అప్, ఫీల్డ్ ఈజ్ లో, వికెట్స్ అవుట్, ఫీల్డ్ వెట్, ball spin, all these things, cricket English. Anyhow, students, I don't understand. Bharat Shahu, I understood that if the student come late, allow and ask questions. His intention is that. So these are all these things I already seen from 28 years onwards. So you will have your own plans. Max sir will ask question. You will make them to stand in front of everybody. You can't do anything else after that, right? And you will hold that pressure also. So no problem, students. Let us come to the point. Now I will go to pd.set option, this part. Now I want to go for another one. Let me open my original project. Go to the E colon. Where is it? Data science, PANDAS. There we are having data frame. This is the one we are discussing now. This is a project. I hope we discussed up to 10th, 11th, 10th. So now I'll go for find average value of what? Reviews. Find average value of reviews. I need to take it. So this part I will take it. So meantime, you try to read out that part also. So how to read out that? I'll take quickly. So instead of writing again, I'll read out the data. So get the Google frame data here. So go to this place. Get this data. Print the data frame. So now I will go to the logic number 10. Shall we write the logic number 10 now? Question number 10. These are all the things already you know. This is a part number 2. Go to question number 11. Question number 11. So what you need to take it? Very important logic, student. Find the average. Yes. So this is a question I want to take it. So what you need to take it? Solution I said already, students, for you. So tell me now. So Very, very important students here. Df dot columns. This is just I'm giving you how to answer that kind of things. Reviews. Reviews you first verify. So df dot, come on, reviews, reviews. So that you'll be getting the reviews. Reviews column is what type? Reviews column is what type? Float 64. Float 64. Yesterday I was finding that by using what? Info. Info is a function or not? By using info function, we found out the column names and their column types and then memory space. Already it is there. So yesterday's class, I was already gave to you the column information here. The review is of which type? Object type. Object type. The rest of the rating, except the rating, the rest of them are what? Object type. Now, here the question is very, very important. Average value of reviews. The question in itself says average value of reviews means immediately it will be deciding the data type of that. Reviews is which type? Object type. Definitely we cannot find the average. Average means mean. I need to apply mean. Mean to be applied only on numerical column. But the review will be having what type here? Object type. Object type. So what to do now? Very good. As type. I need to convert into which type? As type. I need to convert it. Okay, students, good. So happy you are saying that, but you are saying luckily or something you are understanding subject. I hope that you are understanding and saying. So if I print that reviews, all of them are numericals only. All of them are numericals only. But why this is having reviews in the form of object? Anytime you remember any average or something you are going to do, you check its type. You check its type. Without seeing that if you call mean and all, you will get value error will come. Because in this value errors, some type of values will be there. Some 3 million views, 3M, they will write 3M views, they will write 3M plus or 5M plus like that, they will write. So that we have to convert that M millions of views into numerical value. So how to do it? We are going to do it. So which type it is? Object type. So what we are going to get it? We are going to get the value. We need to check its type once. Already you are having D type. How do you check the type, students? How do you check the type? Come on, how do you check the type? Df dot reviews. Df dot D type, I'm going to do it. D type, I'm going to do. D type. So I'm going to. What is the type you are getting? O. That is nothing but what? Object. You can also print this as what? If you write it, print off. If you write it, this value, if I say, you'll be getting which type? Object type. That is what we did yesterday. What we did yesterday, reviews related to object, that we are getting here object. That we need to convert into what type? Come on. So I need to convert into as type. So let us go for converting into which type? As type. So I'm going to convert into as type. So to which type I need to convert? Which type I need to convert? Float I need to convert. So here I'm trying to write it as type dot, as type dot, dot. I'm writing float inside. I'm writing float inside. Definitely it will give you what? Error. Value error will come. Because could not convert string into what? Float. 3.0 M, which is within the quotes. Within the quotes. So I need to find out who is having this 3.0 M. Who is having this 3.0 M? I'm trying to find the average. These are all called substeps I'm saying to you. Anytime you are going to find the first thing, find the column name and see the values here. The values which are finding here is numerical values only. But why it is showing object? Definitely one of the value which is going to contain here a dot dot dot. It is only 10,841 are there yesterday. Somewhere else in the middle of it, somewhere else are the other, some other character is there other than the numerics. That's why it is showing in the form of which type? Object type. That's why we go for which type now? Error we got it. Value error we got it. So for that, what should I do? Check it out. Who is having this 3.0 M? So that I will write it here. df dot df dot this as it is you take it. df dot review you take it and compare this point here. df of reviews you take it. That is equal to what I should do. That is equal to what should I do? 3.0. 3.0 M you write it. So that you will be getting that particular place, one place there is a value is present. Pass to whom? DF. So you will be getting live made Wi-Fi touchscreen photo frame 10,042, 10,472 is containing the review value as what? 3.0 M. Because of that only, we got which error? Value error. Value error. So I need to do what? Convert this into what type? Float type. To do that, what should I do? So 3.0 millions of views. 1 million is equal to how many values? 1 million is equal to how many values, students? Hmm? 1 million is equal to how many values? Emma, how many values? 10 lakhs. Correct? But doubt in the go. 10 lakhs, correct? Correct, because you are all YouTubers. You are looking YouTube. You will have that knowledge compulsory. 10 lakhs. What boys don't know? Don't know? You know. But you are fearing you may attack on me. Why unnecessarily? Sir will take care. Some girls will tell like that. So, anyhow, students, that part I need to convert into which type? Load type. How to convert it? Hmm. How do you convert it? One is replace. One is replace. One more you can remove the M. M. One more is you remove M. 10 lakhs or 20 lakhs or that if you leave it. So you can do some sort of operation on it. What operation you are going to do? If you are interested, you can go to how do you replace it? I can go to replace this mechanism. Come on. Now I'm going to do df dot df of this part I will carry. df dot reviews. What I should do? Dot what I need to do? Dot df dot what I need to do? Replace of what should I do now, students? I will write it 3.0 M 3.0 M comma. What should I do? df dot reviews is which type? Series. Series. In series, there is a function called what? Replace. Replace. Of what I want to replace with? Come on, what I should do? 3.0 into what value I need to do? 10 lakhs. So 0, 0. I am writing 0, 0, 0. Okay now? But we should not give what? Comma. Is it 10 lakhs? Come on, boys. 10 lakhs. So now it is going to be placing in where itself. This I need to place it in where itself. In df dot. df dot. What is happening in this case? First you see this now. It is going to be done. And you try to look at. You try to look at. So what is the record number? What is the record number? This value will be there. This value will be there. This is 10472. So in that case, you can find out this is having the values will be there. Now I want to go for in place of this you are replacing to make it a very permanent replacement. You can do df dot reviews is equal to you can do like this is equal to 3.0. So for our betterment, for any calculation you want, you can do. So I'm replacing with what? 3.0. Are you following me? So this is called what? Just only value changing. What is our value here? 10472. 10472 is called what? Our index value. So that we are going to replace it. Output is dot 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 place it will be available. Now I'm going to make it change with 3.0 M is converted into 3.0 F. So it is going to be like this. and d of dot, what I'm going to do, you try to find out this value 3.0. You say here it is going to contain, remove this 3.0, whatever you placed it, try to get it 10,472 containing what? 3.0. Earlier it was containing what? 3.0 m. Getting my point? Now I need to convert into which type? Float type I will convert. Shall I convert into float type now? Come on, convert it now. Carry that conversion process. Carry that conversion process. Here this process I will convert it. After converting, what should I do? Place it into where itself. Here I am writing. Here I am writing review. I am going to place it as float type into where itself. df of review. Directly I will take this now. Reflect back to this place. Here I am writing it. Done. Done. Now you check it out by yourself. Which one you type it? Dot what? D type. D type. It is called what now? Float 64. Earlier what it was? D type of O or called object. Okay. Understand this? Well. Now I need to do what now? Find the mean now. So I need to go for the mean now. Shall we go for this now? Find the next step. So I'm going to find out the now 64 is done. Now I will apply df dot find the, because I will carry the question. Final question I will carry. So to do that final question, to do the final question like this, you must have find the average value of reviews. So I'm going to take up on the top of it. Here I will write it. What is that? Mean I need to write it. So mean I am going to write it. So this will give you the value like this. Mean of this value is coming. Are you following me? So this is so many number of values are there added by total number of value. This is going to be the answer is going to come. Is it clear? So reviews value we are going to get it. And directly if people are understanding beginning if you try to write it, beginning the moment when you come across, immediately if you try to write reviews dot mean, what you will get it? Value error will come. Why value error will come? I tell you the technique for doing that. First thing you need to check the D type. That D type is containing some value. Like this, if you found in some place, where is this value is there, you find out. And then replace with your own conversion. What value you are interested, you convert it. Then you try to move to the further. Clear? Right. So this is one way to do the calculation. Let us online students. I hope you understood this. Go to the next step. Find the total number of. So here one question. Vandana Ganesh. Right. Sir, what if there is hundreds of values like that? What if the hundreds of values like this? That's what I'm saying. If hundreds of values are like that, that is not going to be asking like that. You have to use what? Conversion process compulsory, you need to do it. Conversion process compulsory, you need to do it. And you can write it. I already said to you, if there is a sequence of values are available, suppose for example, 10450, for example, 10490, if these values are containing M or something like that, those values you need to go for what? Applying the slicing, ILOC, LOC concept you can take, and all of them you are going to take the value and you can convert into your own type. If there is no other way for you, you have to convert it. There is no other way for you. So you can apply even replace also. Wherever that particular value is there, you want to substitute a common value, you can substitute it. Understand that? So in this case, even hundreds and thousands of values are there. What is the concept here? What we are going to replace it? 3.0 m, wherever it is there, we are going to place it as 3.0. It's a particular replacement only. So I think Vandana Ganesh understood that point. Right. Let me move to the further. Let me move to the further. What is the next question? Next question. Line number, question number 12. Find the number of free and paid apps. Number of free and paid apps. Hmm. Come on. DF dot columns. What is the column name? Free or paid apps. Which one is that type? Find the total number of free or paid apps. So how you come to know that in the beginning of that only you have seen it. So here it is available. Suppose if that question is confusing, you see that type, free. Somewhere else, there is a somewhere else, free. Somewhere else, there will be what? Like that, it is going to be given. Free is given, some dots are there or not. Somewhere else, definitely there is a concept of what? Paid also will be there. Then what? Go for what? Type. So view that. Df dot what? Type of. Df dot type of. So there I'm going to write it. Df dot type of. So it will be giving to you all the kind of values like this. All the kind of values are coming like this. Now I'm going to take up. Only some of them are containing like that. Just to try to see for your understanding purpose. I'm going to apply df dot df dot type of to see the name called paid or something. You say dot what head of something like you say some 10, something like 10. So 10 are coming. Even in this case, there are some paid is available here. So now I'm going to take up what are the paid apps you are having. You can have it. Here you are having some 20, you try to write it. Just to see that anywhere else there is something free. So df dot is equal to you try to write it what? Paid. Somewhere else you try to see like this. So you are going to have it. Boolean array is coming. Pass it to whom? Df of like this you try to see. You are having somewhere else there is something. Turbo scan documents and then receipts in PDF. What is this? Paid. Somewhere else there is one more thing paid. These are all called paid apps are there. Definitely there are a number of paid apps are there. Are you following me? So these many kind of paid apps count I want to get it. So how to get this count? Man, faster. So I will write it is equal to, now you are going to get it. Df dot type called what? So you are going to get it. Dot one. Hmm. Shape of. Shape of what? 0. So you'll be getting what? 800. Next, one more way you can find out by using what? Hmm. Yesterday I said size can I write? Size can I write? No. You have to write what? Count of, which will give you what? All the app names are coming. All the app names are coming. So there is one more function also I said to you, student. What is that now? What I said to you? Value underscore, come on, counts. Value underscore counts. It is going to give you all the values are going to come. All the values are going to come with a different type of things. So this part, I'm going to write it. Type paid apps are going to come. So if you want to find out the type of apps, you can write it. If you want to write it, all free and paid apps are going to come. You will simply write it df dot type of this one. There are some apps which they did not declare paid or free apps. So simply I will call it as what value counts. It is going to give you dot. So dot. So it will give you how many? Free apps are how many? 10,039. Paid apps are how many? So they did not mention anything. There is a one app which is not declared anything. There is a zero app which is not mentioned anything. So free apps this many, paid apps this many. So value counts will give you what? Number of free apps, number of paid apps. What is the type which is going to give you? What is the type which is going to give you? Which is coming in the form of series. So now I want to get it. Now I want to get it. Series is available. These are the values we are getting it. So how to get the free apps now? So print of, mm, come on, number of, number of free apps, number of free apps is equal to, comma, I will write it here in the left side variable, I will write it, or I will need not to write a left side variable. Okay, no problem. I will write it yes of what? Yes of what? Free. Yes of free, I will write it. Yes of free. Already I said to you how to access the data from series. Next, I will write it number of what? Paid apps. Here only number of paid apps. Paid apps. What is this now? Paid. Paid. So you will be getting number of free apps, number of what? Paid apps. Right? So there I will go to next. That is next is called what? Number of not paid, not paid and what? Free. So they mentioned it. What was the value mentioned there? Zero. Zero they mentioned it. That is nothing but one. That we need not to bother about it. What is that? That is a value which is given to us. I think you are following. So this is the statistical information about that. Print of yes, you can say. Print of yes, you can say. This is a data we are getting it. This is a information from there only. How I know about paid and this one, I got it, and this is the way you need to write it. These are the type free, paid, zero. On that basis only, I'm going to print this data. Clear? So once you are making the final output, you have to do this exercise for printing the final output. This final output you need to show like this. Final output it should be like this only, not like our academic exam striking writing. No, it should be like this. Of course, no pen and paper will be given. Directly you need to show like this. If you know complete formulas like that, it is easy. Is it beyond our scope or within the scope only? Within the scope or beyond the scope? It is within the expected scope only. But our formulas are what? Even if you get now you are 25, next to 25 years added to you, 50 years also, that is more than enough for you. So that is an intelligence in pandas. So come to the next. Go to next. Next question. What is the next question? Which app has maximum reviews? Which app has maximum reviews? Which app has maximum reviews? Hmm. Come on. What do you will apply? Apply the reviews, and I will go for what? I applying max or sort underscore values, ascending, last, ascending is equal to false, top, head. Head you will take and take the first one. Finally, we know the solution. How you can start with. Come on. Df dot columns. It is always a universal strategy for you. Which is my column name? Which is my column name? Reviews. So, reviews. Okay. Get the review column. Come on. How do you get it? I forget. Of review. Reviews. We will take the reviews. Then here, all reviews are coming to you. Reviews is which type? Reviews is which type? Plot. Because I was changed it just now. Actually, originally which type? Object type. If you try to do any numerical calculation on object, you will get which error? Value error will come. So I need to go for, already I was typecasted it. It's a matter of applying the reviews. Come on, get the reviews maximum value. B of dot reviews of direct. What is that? Max. TF dot reviews is what type? TF dot reviews is what type? Okay, float is okay. Review value is float type. Reviews values coming is series. On series, I said so many functions. So many functions I said. Those one of the function is what? Max. So max, this is the max value. This is a max value. Are you following me? Now, this is a max value. Highest review value is this one. How to find this value now? How to find this value now? How do you find this value now, students? This is a max you are getting or not? So once you are getting this max, so how you can go for this now? This is the max value you are getting. Now you are going to apply this max value. You are going to compare with what? Df dot max value double equal to what you are writing? Df dot what you are writing? Review. Df dot what you are writing? Review. Or like this is equal to like this you are getting. Like this you are getting. This value I don't want to write. Of course, you can write directly, but I'm going to write each review value will be compared with the max value. Each review value will be compared with the max value. What will be coming because of that? Because of that, one boolean value will come. Because one app only matching with that. So that I will pass to whom? DF. That I'll pass to DF. That I'll pass to DF. So you will be getting the value. What is that? Facebook. 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 Me Facebook is Facebook. Social. What is the review? This is the review. What is the review here? This is the review. 7815306 something. 306. Now I need to go for what? Get the name. How to get the name? Madhubavulu. Of what I will write it? Of what I will write it? App. 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 That is called Facebook. That's called Facebook. What it will give you? 2544. 2544 is what? Index. Index. Getting the name or not? Like this, you need to go for it. Easy or difficult? Easy. Simple. That is the app name is coming. That app name is going to be called your Facebook. What is the type of it? If you want to know the type of it, I can write it. Type of it. It's a type is always very important, students. What is the type? Series. So app name that you are finding. So I will write it what? What I will write it here? 2544. I'm writing 2544. What is coming? Facebook. చెప్పాను కదా, you have to cut. Final answer I want to take it. Like you going on explaining ఎక్కడో blink అవుతుంది. Then I have to inject their subject. So finally I have to write what is my subject? Print of print
Olha,
of what is the formula here?
जाओ तो
What is the question here?
कैबेज
Maximum the app has maximum reviews is equal to the app which is having the maximum review is equal to comma like this I need to write it. Like this I need to write it. That is called Facebook. So 10,841 should need not to look at how you can find like this. Great now. So you need to remember now. Do you remember formulas? Last Sunday on Saturday onwards I'm asking. Do you remember all formulas? Girls, remembering ma? Remembering. మాట్లాడలే ఊతో చూస్తా ఉంటే కుదరదు కదా. Will you remember? Remembering. All boys. Will you remember or not remembering? So I think Pandit saying, I think stuck problem arises again. So audio video not getting, sir. So audio video not getting. So I think so coming to the point back. Now it's okay. Now it's working.
हाँ
Right. Answer came. This is the one. Now I need to move to the further. Are you understanding now?
एक का बड़ा है
Go to the
और
next
पाँच जना
question.
का भी
What is the next question? Display top 5 apps having highest reviews.
पाँच जना का भी
Top 5 apps having highest reviews is also very danger. Come on, go to the place. Now I'm going to take it. 14th question I'm going to take it. Go to our paper here. Go to this place. Go to, come on, df dot what? Columns. So it doesn't mean that daily I need to write. Just I'm making you to get it. What is my question? Highest reviews. What is my column name? df of what? Reviews.
हाँ
df dot reviews. There I'm writing it. Okay, this is a review. Fine. So we are getting it. Which type? Float type. Float type. I need to go for it. Now, what should I do now? I will go to this reviews are coming. What should I do now? You will go to apply what? Sort them. Do you know how to sort it? df dot review is which type? Series type. On series type, you can sort the data or not. How do you sort it? Dot. Sort underscore what? Values. Hmm. Ascending. Ascending is equal to what? False. Ascending is equal to false. So ascending is equal to false. Right? Ready unnai. Top 5 apps ready unnai. So go to what?
ଆଉ କଣ
On
ହେଲେ
this,
ସେ ଦି ଦିନ
I will apply
କାଟିବନି
what?
କି 28 ହେଲେ ଦି ଦିନ
Head off.
29 30 କାଟିଲେ ହେଲେ
On
କଣ
this,
କରିବି?
what apps you want? Head off. What I want? Come on. 5. Are you going to get apply 5? 5. Head need to write 5? No. So I'm getting like this. Only that names are coming. But I need to get it what also? Values I need to get it. I need to get the values or not. So how do you go for that?
100%
How do you go for that? Now I need to go for indices. I need to take it or not. How to take the indices now? How do you take the indices now? I want to take it. These are containing top apps are coming. This is very good. This is very good. But I need to get what? This is not the name of the app. These are called what? Indices. How do you take these indices now? How do you take these indices now? How do you take indices, my dear Muddu Bobulu? Huh? Ede? Huh? నువ్వు చెప్పేదేదో గట్టిగా చెప్పు. ఉత్త ఇట్లా ఇట్లా
ଏଇଠି
మాట్లాడుకుంటే
କହିଲ ମା 18
కుదరదు.
ଯାଏଁ ଖାଲି
Now I
ନଥିବ
will write it. Index. Very good. So go to the place called what? Index. Who is that? Mahesh Babu, Madhu Babu. Very good. Anish, good. Anish, good. So I'll go to the place now. Madhu Babu, correct.
10
Sarita, correct.
ହୋଲି ବେଳକୁ
So
ତମେ
next is
କହିବ
called what? Go to this place.
କହିବ ନା କଣ କେତେ
Now
ଗୁଡା
I will
ହଉଛି
go to this place. Dhirendra Jain, here
ତମେ ଭାବୁଛ
it
ସେମିତି
is not
ଜିନିଷ
coming any rows
କିଛି
here.
ହେଲେ
5 only you
ମତଲବ
are taking.
ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି
Dot what I will take? Index. Index is called one attribute, which is going to give you what? Indices. Indices, I'm going to write it. Are you following this indices now? Right. Indices, you are going to get it. Those indices, I will print it. Print off what?
ସେମାନେ
Indices.
କହିଲେ ଯେ ଏଇଟା
Indices, I'm going to get it. Those
ଏଇଟା
indices,
ସବୁ
I'm
ମାସରେ
getting
ସତୁରି
all
ପଇସା
these
ଲେଖା
indices
ହଉଛି
in the form of like this.
ନାଇଁ
Pass the
କହିଲି
indices to whom?
ବୋଲେ କିଛି ମୁଁ
Pass the
କହିଲି
indices to whom? Come on.
ନାଇଁ
df dot
ପଛେ କହିଲି ଯେ ସେ
df
କହିଲା
dot
ସବୁ
those
ମାସରେ
indices I want to pass
କରିବାକୁ
it. Those indices, if I pass it,
ସୁଗାର ୟୁରିନ୍
I will write it. df dot. I think you already know that. ILOC of what I am passing. Indices I am passing. Indices when I pass it, what are you getting? Facebook, something like two things are there. Facebook, WhatsApp Messenger, like that it is coming. I need to go for finding what? App name only I want to get it. App name only I will get it. How to get that now? APP I will get it. APP. So I got it. Facebook, WhatsApp Messenger, like that we are getting it. Are you following me? So these are the varieties of apps are there. These are the type 5 top apps are coming. Are you getting it? So this is the way you need to go for it. Here I am going to write it. Here I am going to write it. What is this now? Value underscore what? Counts. Value underscore counts. You are getting Facebook 2, WhatsApp Messenger 3. These are the popular apps which are having here. Are you following? So this is a way how you can find these values. Getting my point? So if you want to print these app names, you can eliminate duplicates also. Already I said to you, what is that n unique? You can write unique values. Already I said to you, right or not? So like that you can apply students. Now I already said, you know. You can apply n unique, you can apply unique. All the functions are there with you. How strongly you will read the functions which I said. If you go to interview, that much easy for you to solve your task. Otherwise, things becomes very complicated. Very complicated. How doctor powerful is, that much safely that much safely the patient will go to home. How Dr. Shankar the MBBS is, that much speed collected by garbage collector. Depends on how you are fast. Are you good enough in formulas? Are you realizing first of all how formulas are important? Is it really difficult? Huh? Dead easy. 2 days if you keep on that by leaving mobile away, you will become expert. Correct? Yes. So go to the further. Go to the further. So now I'm going to take up this values I want to get it. Shall I move to the further? Now, what is the next question? Find the find the average rating of free and paid apps. Find the average rating of free and paid apps. Average rating of free and paid apps. Are you following? Hmm. Tell me now. Try to take pen and work out on this. How do you do? Average rating of free and paid apps. Already this question came up. Already this question came up. No, no. That is total number of. Okay. Total number. That is different and this is different. Find the average rating of free and paid apps. How do you go for it? Average rating of free and paid apps. Easy. So df dot what? Columns. Df dot columns. Sorry. Columns. So you will be getting. What is my point here? Rating. Df of what? Rating. Df of rating. You will take that rating. Well, next what you will do, students? Rating is coming. What is the rating type? Float only. What you are supposed to apply on that area? What you are supposed to apply on that area? Come on. So I will go to this df dot rating. I will apply which concept? Group by. You will apply group by. Group by dot. Group by dot. Group by of like this. df dot. Come on. Group by of. Come on. Come on. Rating. Rating. Rating a type of. Rating a type of. Here try to follow that. Try to follow this kind of thing. Here you are going to get it. Rating. Rating free or average rating of free and paid apps. There you need to go for getting the column type. You need to apply. Group by of rating, no. Group by of what? Type. Group by of type. Okay. If you go to group by of type, what should I do now? I will go for that. In the type when you come, lot of apps will be coming. Lot of apps will be coming. In that, on the basis of free one group, paid one group, and then zero one group is there. On that, what is the value I want? Rating. What I want? Rating. Rating, correct? Rating in a column name? Rating. For the rating, what is that happening? In the type, there are lot of types are going to come. In that app name and everything will come. Three groups will come. Zero group, free group, paid group. In that type, which one you are taking? Rating is the value in that. Like df dot group by of city, and you are taking experience. Like that in the type, you are going to apply what? Rating. And you are applying what next? Dot mean you are writing. AG also you can write. Dot AG of in the braces, mean you will write it. So that you are going to get the mean. So 0, 19 point, free 4 point, paid is this much. Are you getting it? So like that you are going to apply. So if you go for it, I already written it. What is this now? AGG of what? of what year? Mean you can write it. Mean you can write it. Mean. So you can write like this also. Zero app is this one, free is this one, paid is this much you will get it. Okay, now students. So depends on how you go for it. So average rating of zero app, free, and then paid off. You can do this kind of thing. So here I will write it, print off. So average rating, average rating of free apps is
ହଁ
equal to this. I will write it. Of what I will write it?
ତମେ ରଖିଦେଇ ଘରେ
Free.
ଯାଅ
I will write it. This is coming. What happens?
ଦେଇଦଅ ନା ଭୁଲିକି ପଳେଇବ ଆଉଥରେ ନେଇକିରି କୋଉଠି ହଜେଇବ
You will write it. Close. You will be getting. Similarly, I will go for what? Paid also.
ତମେ ନେଇକି କଣ ପାଇଁ
Paid
ଆଉଛ ତାଙ୍କୁ ତ
also.
କହୁଛ ସେଠି ରଖିକି
Paid
ଆସ
apps.
ବେକାର
You are going to get paid here. Paid here. Now you are getting zero. There is a
କେତେ
zero
ଟଙ୍କା
is there in
ଦେବି
my result.
ଆପରେ ଥାଉ
Zero app. This is a zero app. That I will write zero here. Zero here. So there you are going to get all the values like this. Okay, now students. So this is very, very simple. And this is mean is going to be given. Which type it is given, this mean if you want to find out, the type you find out. To apply any type of operation, first you must be very much strong in getting what? Data frame. Data frame. So in this data frame, whatever you are having, you can find out. Zero type of, free type of, paid type of, you can apply. DF of zero, DF of free, DF of paid. You can write that kind of things. Anyhow, that you take care, students. So this part is clear. Next, I'm going to enter into the last part of it. 16th question. Online students, I hope you are more comfortable. Display 5 top apps having maximum installs. Maximum installs. Also, very good question. Maximum installs. What will be the maximum installs? You are going to get it. So, what will be the column for installs you see? Columns. There is a column called what? Installs. Installs you need to get it. That installs you need to take it. It's a very, very danger here. So, you need to take up what will be the columns here. That part you see the maximum installs means you need to will get the numerical number. Numerical number means you need to see its type also. DF of what here? Installs. This installs you take it. Installs which type you have? Object type. Why object type? Definitely 10,000 plus, 5,000 plus, 5 lakhs plus, 50 lakhs plus. So many number of things are there with plus 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 symbol is there. So I have to do plus plus symbol. And commas are also there because it's a normal document. What is my concept today? I have to eliminate the comma. I have to eliminate the plus. Comma తీసేయాలి, plus also I have to eliminate. So that it is easy for me to find the max value. So on non-numeric value, you cannot apply max. Are you following? So how to do? Which type you need to find out? Find the type also. Which type? As you know already, installs. Installs which type? Object. So on object type, you cannot apply max. Max will be applied only on numerical columns. How to find out? So go to the place. Here I'm going to apply. So type if you want to find out. Type if you want to find out. You can just see like this. So here you are having which type series. This is one thing. Okay, that anyhow you know. Comma what you are finding? D type. When you say D type, it is what type? O. O is nothing but what here? Object type. So that I already shown you students. So it is an object type. What to do now? Convert into which type? Convert into which type? Float type or integer type? So all of them maximum if I apply plus 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 because installs will not be there. 1.5 install, 0.5 install. If it is installed, installed successfully, otherwise not installed at all. So installation number will be integer type only. If you want, you can take float type also, no problem. But I'm converting into int type. Already you know float type conversion now? Okay. Before float type conversion, int type conversion, you need to ensure that you cannot convert this value into which type? Int type. Because if I take this data, if you go to the normal Python, if I go, this will give you what? This will give you int of. How to convert into this? Int of. This will give you what value, ma? This is a object type, definitely like this. It is going to give you value error. You cannot convert. So what should I do? Convert, comma,
Hello.
first remove the comma,
कह
and there you need to specify
actually ମୋର
empty,
phone ନା କି
empty
silent ଥିଲା ମୁଁ
space you
କ୍ଲାସ୍
substitute.
କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିଥିଲି ମୁଁ
And in
ଜାଣିନଥିଲି
place
ଏତେ
of
ସମୟ ଫୋନ୍
plus,
କରିଛି ବୋଲି
you truncate that plus. So how to do that? How to?
ହଁ
Because this is a very
ତାପରେ
regularly
ଯାଇକି
requirement students.
ମମିକି
Come on.
ପଚାରିଲି
What should I
ସେ
do?
କହିଲେ
Replace. ఇక్కడ
ଆସେ
రాస్తాను నేను command. Replace. Replace
କାହାକୁ
what?
କହୁନା କାହାକୁ ବି କହୁନା ମୁଁ
Comma
ବାଡ଼େଇବି
with
ପଛରେ
what?
ମୁଁ ଆସିବି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି
Empty
ପାଣ୍ଡାସ
string.
ସାଇଲେଣ୍ଟ
Empty string. Empty string. Come on. How do you replace? df
ସେ
dot
କେତେବେଳେ ମେସେଜ
installs.
କରେ କେତେବେଳେ ଆସିବ ଆସିବ
df of installs dot what? Dot
ଆରେ
str.
ମାନେ
Yesterday's
ଗେଷ୍ଟ
class
ଫ୍ୟାସିଲିଟି ଯୋଉ ବାହାରୁଛି
contains
ନା ସେଇଟା ପାଇଁ
replace.
ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ
Replace. Dot installs.
ତ
Replace.
ଏ ଦୋକାନ
I'm
ଦେଇକି
going to
ପାଖରେ
say
ତ ଏଠି କିଛି
what should
ଚାଲିନି
I do it?
ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ
Comma
ସେଠି ବସିକି
string
କାମ
data
କଲି
na
ଦେହ ବେଶୀ ଖରାପ
comma.
ହେଲା
I
ତ
need to
ବେଡ୍
write
ରେଷ୍ଟ
what
ନେଇଥିଲି
there.
ତ
I need to
ସେଥିପାଇଁ
write
ସେଟା
just
ବାହାରିଲା ତ
like
ପକେଇ
this.
ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଆଉ
Are you
ବେଶୀ
following me?
ଯାଇନି ଦି ବର୍ଷ ହବ
Done.
2 ବର୍ଷ
That I need to place it into where? Into some separate
ହଁ
place I
ସେଠି
will
ଯାହା
place
କାହା
it.
ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଇଏ ହେଲେ
It is
ଦଶ
okay
ମିନିଟ୍
showing,
କ୍ଲାସ୍ ଯାଉଛି ଜାଣି
but
ପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଏଇଠି ପୁରା
result will
ଠିକ୍ ସେ
not be
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ୱାର୍ଡ଼
affected, right?
ଠିକ୍ ସେ ଯଦି
If I
ନ
write it, only
ବୁଝେଇବେ
result is showing, but it is not affecting to what? Actual installs.
ହାର୍ଟ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍
What I do
ସ୍କିନ୍
is,
ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ସବୁ
I don't
ବାହାରୁଛି
disturb this actual
ତ
installs. I will
ସମସ୍ତେ
take one new
କହିଲେ
column
ଛାଡ଼ିବେ
student,
ମାନେ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ସେ
one
ଦୋକାନ
new
କରିଦେବେ
column.
ଇଏ ସେ କରିଦେବେ
Let the
ପଇସା
normal
ପଇସା
installs as it
ଦରକାର
is.
ହେଲାନି
For my
କ୍ଲାସ୍
calculation,
ନେଲି
you can
ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ
write
ହେଲେ
df of what I am
ଆରେ
going to do
ବାହାରିଲା ବି ସେଇ ଟାଇମ୍ରେ
installs.
ଯିବି କହିକି
Installs. You
ଯାହା
can write it
ତମ
as it
ଟାଇମ୍
is,
ପାସ୍ ବି
but I am
ହେଇଯିବ ତମ
taking for
ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ଫ୍ରେଶ୍
my
ବି ହେଇଯିବ
purpose of what?
ସମସ୍ତେ
Installs one.
ଇଏ
Some new
କରିଦେବେ
column I am
ଗୋଟେ
adding.
କାମ କଲେ
To
ନା
whom?
ଭବିଷ୍ୟତ ଠିକ୍ ରହିବ
Data frame.
ବସିଗଲେ
So
ନଥିବା ରୋଗ
because of that,
ଆସିବ
what will happen? Installs one. This is done. So this is done. Now you observe this data, you get it. Check it. This data.
ସେଇଟା
Installs one, which is containing what?
ସେ କରିନଥିଲେ ସେଟା
A
କଥା
comma spoinave.
ସେଟା
Comma
ଟେନସନ୍
gone.
ନଉଛନ୍ତି ବହୁତରେ
Getting or not?
ସେଇ ଲଗେଇକି
Next, what I want to do?
ଟେନସନ୍
Plus కూడా తీసేస్తాను ఇప్పుడు. Plus also I will remove.
ଏବେ ଏଇ ବର୍ଷ
Can I?
ଆର ବର୍ଷ ଆଡକୁ ବନ୍ଦ
So how do you do it? I will take up. Come on, go for it.
ମାନେ
df
ସେଇଟା
dot
ଫିଲ୍ଡ ରିଲାକ୍ସେସନ ଭିତରେ ଅଛି
installs of
ଟିକେ
one
ବେଶୀ କେତେ
is equal to
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି
df dot installs dot,
ଆଉ ଯାଇପାରିନି ଏବେ ଯାଉଥିଲି
come on, str dot what? The replace of
କଣ
plus
କହିଥିଲ
comma. I will write
ପଚାଶ
like this.
କାଟିଦେବି ମୁଁ ଆଉ ସାଲ କେତେ ଅଛି
Okay now. Rest. So done. Again check it.
ଖାଇସାରିଲୁଣି
Again check it. What is happening? Perfectly.
କଣ
It's gone. Gone or not? Yes. Now I will convert into which type?
ଖାଇକି ଖାଉଛୁ
Int type. Can I? Now convert. Which one I am converting? Installs one. Installs as is you give it. I took it for my purpose. Convert. Convert. df of installs one. Convert. D type. Convert. D type of installs one into which type?
କେତେବେଳେ ଯାଇ କହୁଥିଲେ କି
Int
ଟାଇମ୍
type.
ସେଇ ଟାଇମ୍ରେ
So do you know how to convert, students?
ଗାଧେଇଲି
Yes, I forget. How to convert? Come on. Is equal to
ଚାଲ
dot as type of int.
ନହେଲେ
As
ଏଇଠି
type
କାଟି
of
ଦେଇକି
int.
ଆସିବୁ ଯଦି
As type of int. Are you
ହଁ
following
ମୋ
me now?
ରୁମକୁ ଆସିବୁ
Yes.
ଆସିଗଲେ
So now
ପକେଇ
you are
ଦେଇକି
getting.
ଯିବ ନା
Now you are
ତାକୁ
getting
ଆସିଲେ
perfectly. There is one more is there. Something is there.
ହବନି ଆମେ
Free. That is having somewhere else there is a free. So when I am converting it under installs, one is containing free. Under installs, not containing 10,000, etc. is there. Some column is containing what? Free. What is that column I want to find out? You got an error. What is that? It is saying one error here. Somewhere else there is one app is their name containing free. So what is that free should contain? So there I will write it. There I will write it. What is the value I am writing over there? So take this data. df of installs 1. df of installs 1 is equal to double equal to hmm, free is equal to that value what you have. That value what you have. Why I'm just copying and pasting? Because not to get the errors. If I copy paste, as it is that thing will come. Copy paste is very danger and is also dead easy also. It is a advantage one side. Now it is going to give you boolean array. Directly I am getting it. Who is that? Life made Wi-Fi touchscreen photo. This is called what? Installs what is available? Free. That free you need to write it as what here today? 0. I need to replace with what value? 0. Can I replace with 0? Yes. Come on, I forget. How to do with that? Come on. df of installs of df of installs of what? df of installs of this one dot str dot replace of what is that? Free comma what? 0. 0. Why 0 within the double quotes? Because I can convert 0 within the double quotes into int type. Because string int can be converted into int. Well, so that I will place it into where? Same place. Right or not? Into the same place. Okay. Also done. Now check this value now. This value. If I say this now, there is no such value available. No, nothing is there. If I go to that 0, if I go to that 0 here, 0 here, this is available. What is that available? Somewhere 0 is there, 0 is there, 0.0 is there, etc. is there. Life made Wi-Fi 1047 is made as what? Just a 0. Are you following me? 0 nena? There, that place, installs only. Under installs only we are getting. Are you following me? Next, one more is also I want to go for it. Shall we go for next? Now, go to free is made. Now you typecast it once again. Typecast it. This is the one you are going to typecast. So typecast the value. See how many difficulties when you are going to do this. So go to the place here. Maybe some more value will be coming. You try to do it. You are getting now. Are you getting it? Now I need to apply. Which value I need to apply now? So all the values are coming. Now get the type 5 apps. How to get it? Perfectly available. Now I will go to what? df of. Come on, df of. All the values are ready. What is my question? Question is very good. And you need to do a lot of operations here. Get top 5 apps having maximum installs. So you know already very best function you know. Get what? Type 5 apps. Dot what? Sort underscore what? Values. Sort underscore values. Are you following me? Sort underscore values. In the bracket, ascending is equal to what? False. Ascending is equal to false. What you are having? You are going to get it. Dot dot head off. Okay. Dot head off. So you are getting all these things, having this many things. Maybe having some passing 10. Some 10 I am passing. Some 10. So I'm going to get it. Still so many are there. But I want only top 5. Question is what? Top 5. So I will go to head. I will get it. And got it. But I want to get it what their indices I am taking. Indices. How do you take it? Last. Same thing like last class only. Dot what? Index. What is coming there? Hmm. Indices, some variable name. You pass that indices to whom? Indices to whom? Either you can pass to ILOC or you can pass to LOC also you can pass. DF dot hmm, ILOC of indices you pass it. Indices you pass it. When you pass it, all the values are coming now. Game, social, communication, productivity, some kind of things are going to come. Facebook, sub gateway, messengers, Google Drive, like that. If you want get any kind of app names, you will write what there? App. App I will write it. App I will write it. So this part you are going to get it. Are you getting or not? This is the values you are getting it. So that app name also if you want to print it, you can write. Series names you can write it. Are you following this now? Like this you need to follow. Okay, students. Easy or difficult? Easy. Dead easy that you are going to get it. So if you follow me, that app name is coming plus app value is also going to come. So these are called these are called the data how you can apply it. This is top display type top 5 apps having maximum installs. So these questions not a joke to answer it. It is definitely includes total formulas what I was explained it. These questions you give to any student who feel that they know data science, you give these questions, not even leave except five. Five questions, everybody will do it. They will see any of the interview if you go, they will see last five only. They will see last five only, they will see. First five, everybody will do. The pass marks question paper will be set for worst student only actually. And some questions will be there, few questions will be there for top rankers. They will see the last five questions only, they will give more preference. So, so Dhirendra Jain. So it gives us the full experience of classic level of project. Yes, Dhirendra Jain. Very good. Author. Sir, how to remember point to point of formula? Right. How to remember point to point settings in your mobile? Remembering or not? So these points you must remember, author. So other questions are always going to be very important. అంటే natural nature కి కొద్ది దగ్గరికి ఉంటాయి. It's very nature. So now if you ask me how to remember point to point formulae. So now you tell me, I will tell you one tip for you. Are you forgetting? Are you forgetting these formulas? Hmm? If you say, sir, forgetting formulas means I will tell you the tip for you. Are you forgetting formulas? Right, raise the hands. Raise your hands. I want to tell you the tip for you. Those who are raising the hand, forgetting formulas means I will tell you the tip. Who is forgetting formulas? మీ ఫ్రెండ్ని కలిసి చూస్తున్నాడు మళ్ళా. Something is there between you. Right. Tell me, girls, are you remembering all of you? చెప్పండి మా భయమా ఎట్లా మీకు? Are you feeling fear? Are you remembering everything? No. Boys, are you remembering everything? Okay, no, you don't want the tip. Okay, leave it because I will see for these questions. I gave you data analysis point to point like a small kid. How I will give all the things I'm going to post it. How I written it, I will give you all these things. Each one how to give like a spoon feeding explanation I give. If you just follow, you'll get the answer. Just if I open, energy will come out. Need not enter into the digestive system. Here only it will come out. Like that, I will give notes because I will think if a student read the notes, how you need to understand. I don't think a teacher can read this. If a student reads, fifth class student, how to understand? Like that, I will prepare the notes. Even during my studies, also, I will prepare like that. You don't give your notes to anybody. When I was a student, I never give my notes to anybody because It's my hard work. It should belongs to me only. If I prepare the notes, I am not a Swami Vivekananda. Take this, take this, take this. Are you Swami Vivekananda? So you are not now. So that's why prepare the notes. Don't give to anybody. Don't give. Definitely don't give. Because I never give to anybody. My pen I will not never give. I pencil also I will never give. My notes also never give. Because if you give the notes, it will not come back to you. Why? Such a beautiful notes you will write it. But that beautiful notes, everybody want to steal it away. So tell me last and final. Who is forgetting? For everything you will suspect. Huh? So okay. Not an issue. You are remembering. So all the boys in the hand raising symbols are there. Okay, no problem, students. After sending this online people, offline people outside, then I will tell to you. Online students, I'll tell you. So, hmm, so coming to the point back. So now I will move to the further. One more project I will open it. Okay. Now I will show you. This much time will not be taken. Here I am going to send you the Google Play Store project 2. I said now. This I will give you. This I will give you. Google Play Store. Google Play Store. Google Play Store project part 2. Part 2. This I will send to you. Okay. Fine. So this is a part 1. This is a part 2. Both of you see directly don't copy and paste. Apply total. First read the formulas. Then you go for problem solving. Next I'll go to one more thing here. Coming to the point back, one more thing which is regularly asking another type of project is called what employee salary report. This is one of the company, San Francisco one company, that is what Amazon Center is having. They have given this project you can add to your resume. Put it in your resume. I already said in the beginning. Read the description. Write the description. This indicates you have the complete knowledge on this EDA analysis. Go to this now. This is called what having the data. Come on, read out the columns. Come on, ID, employee. This is called 1 minute more. This is called employee name, job title, basic pay. Next is called overtime pay, other pay, benefits, total pay benefits, and year, notes, agency, like that we have. Like that we have. So how many records are available here? I want to show you. How much data is available with me? Here I am having. So 1,48,655 is there. Earlier how much? 10,000 only. It is 10 times more than that. And I never read everything. I never read Randy D. Win WINN. These are all called what? Employee names. So something Ian C. Cameron. So something like Charles F. Williams, Lee. Like this, you need not to remember everything. Employee names need not to remember. So Olson Lee, David Sullivan. Like that, there are so many names are there. So like this, there are so many number of names are there. Those kind of project. What is that? What this got it 5 to 6 times what my students faced it. Now I am going to give you this CSV file and I will give the file set. Shall I show you the file questions? Right. First 5 questions, everybody will solve it. So I'll go to the file, first 5 questions. Then see this now, students. So here I'm going to write it. And in this case, one more description also I'm going to show you. So try to understand. Come on. An exploratory data analysis of the data set of San Francisco employees compensation for fiscal year 2014-15 obtained obtained from from the company from the company and performed the analysis. Obtained from some company, obtained from some agency, I hope it is. Obtained from some agency and data analysis performed. Analysis performed. After extensive cleaning, filtering, manipulation. In our case also, what is done? Cleaning. Cleaning is nothing but what? 3.0 m, comma, plus. That is called what? Cleaned my data. Cleaning, filtering. Filtering is nothing but what? Getting the data. Free means free. That like that. Manipulation using R language. R language is also something like what? Data frame concept of pandas only. So indirectly, you can write in your resume also R language. After going to home, you open a R language tutorial. Everything you will learn within maximum 2 hours. You can learn 2 hours. And if you are average student, you can learn 2 hours R language. You can learn data frame. You remember series. You remember. You will learn everything. Data types anyhow you know. If you are little above average, you will learn in 1 hour. Next, SAS. SAS. This also they developed that they given in the Python pandas and advanced Excel to detect potential outliers. And the data set was reduced to what? 83,946 observations out of 18 variables. Probe into statistics and raw insight information by using MS SQL. This was done in earlier like this. The result of analysis presented graphically for better visualization using Tableau. This was done in earlier this type of thing. They want to do it in where? Pandas. Tableau, you will get it in data science. MySQL, already it is there as a part of our course, also explained it, database level. How many column names are there in CSV file? That many number of what I will do? Table I will take. Employee table. How many number of columns are there? Those many number of columns I will take as table columns. Table columns. And database is difficult to store this much amount of data. That's why people will go for what? Excel. That Excel sheet I will read by using what? Data frame. So pandas can store any amount of big data. So now if I go to the place here, this data, I want to go for it. Project data set. Project 2. Hmm. Come on. I hope it is a dead easy for you. Start here. All the columns you have seen now. ID, employee name, job title, base pay, overtime pay, other pay, benefits, total benefits, year, total pay benefits, notes, agency, etc. like that. Now you can start. Perform data analysis, employee salary data set. 21 data analysis questions are there. 21 data analysis questions are there. You have to answer it. They will give maximum 2 hours time for you to do it. Maximum. And they don't ask 21 questions. They will ask maximum 12 questions. 5 normal questions and 6 to 7. In that next 5, in that medium, some extra questions will come like 16. Find the 5 maximum installs. Like simple, read all our questions. Display top 10 rows of data set. Come on, tell me the statement. D of dot, head of, come on, 10. D of dot, 10 of 10. Come on, faster. D of dot, 10, head of 10. Next, check the last 10 rows of data set. Tail of, hmm, right. Next, find the shape of our data set that indicates number of rows and a number of columns. Compulsory question adi. How to? That is nothing but what? Shape. Shape of 0 will give you rows. Column names will give you. Daily they will ask you. Get the information about our data set, like total number of rows, total number of columns, data types of each column, and memory requirement. Df dot info. Dot info or info of. Info or errors. Info of. If you write df dot info, memory address will come because info is what? Function name. Every function name is what? Every function name is what? str. Huh? Every function name is an object of which type? Function class. Long ago, function name def function name. Function name is a variable name. Every variable name of function is an object of type class function. Open చేయాలి అది. You know na? You know, that sweet memories, these are all called. Already explained. Next, memory requirement. All these things is by using info of. Check null values in the data set. New, new model question. Check null values. How many functions are there to check null values? Two. Two ఏ ఉంటాయి. Two values for checking null. Two values for not null. Not null. One is no. Next, hmm, is null. Is null. Next, one more. Not no. Not null. That is for checking not null. These are checking null. అంటే రివర్స్ కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు. నాట్ నో. నాట్ నో. ఇట్స్ నథింగ్ బట్ నో. నో ఓన్లీ. దట్ ఈస్ నో. నాట్ నల్. Not null. That is called is null only. So once you know the subject, you can mold to any of the place. Right? Once you have good hairstyle, you can comb anything. Regular my things. And don't look at my hairstyle. Very last Sunday only gone for very small, because professional always will go to very small only, not having here something more and like this. Okay, now so you also go to very small. You don't think like that. It is your choice. Yes, I'm talking because you are very close to me. That's why I'm talking. Come on, drop ID, notes, agency, status columns. Can you drop the columns? Drop ID, notes. Notes same లేదు అందులో. Notes not containing anything. Notes does not contain anything. Agency also you want to go for it. ID also you want to go for it. When you are removing ID, don't make it as a permanent change. But for everything, suppose if you want ID again you reload the CSV file. Suppose you are removing the ID column, for example. In next question, you need ID information. If you make permanent changes by removing ID, what you will do? Again, you reload the original data. I'm saying, for what purpose? To get the ID. Understood now? So, coming to the point of it, easy students dropping. I said how to drop the column names. Get overall statistics about data frame. What is the function name? Here I said how to drop it. I said the drop off. Columns I said. Column indices I said. Everything I said. Next is get overall statistics about what? Data frame. How do you write it? df dot describe of. Describe of. One more is df dot describe of. Include is equal to all within the double quotes. All within the double quotes without the parameter, you know what is the difference. So by default, it will describe of will apply only on numerical column. Max, min, count, mean, 25 percentile, 50 percentile, 75 percentile. STD also you will get it. These many columns you will get it. When you go to describe all of include all, you will get what? Frequency, top, and the count you will get it, and the frequency value, top value. That is 4 values will come. When I go for include all, numerical related column plus non-numerical related column, big values will be coming. Other than the type of applicability, nan will come, and other thing applicable values will come result. That you have seen already in the class. Right. Find the occurrences of the top 5 employee names. Occurrences of 5 top employee names. Top 5 employee names means in the employee names, some people will have same name or not. Definitely here also will have what? Same name will be there. So how do you do that? Occurrence of top 5 employee names. How do you get it? Group by. Group by I will apply. Group by what? Names. Same name people will be grouped. What I will do? Count. Count on what? Employee names. There I will apply what? Max. Max. Max I will apply. Whoever is having max, that will be coming. And you want only 5. Head of 5 you will write. That's all. So I'm giving that ఇక్కడ కూడా సొల్యూషన్స్ ఇచ్చాను మీకు. ఎలా స్కూల్ స్టూడెంట్ విల్ అండర్స్టాండ్. ముందు ముందే చూడకండి అది. Don't do that. Please submit your brain. Let us make it understand. Find the number of unique job titles. 1,46,000 people are there. Definitely 2 to 3 people, 10 to 15 people are working as a inspector. Like that, some names are there. Here you see general, some names. General manager, metropolitan, metropolitan transit authority. Captain 3, police department. Wire rope cable maintenance mechanic. Deputy chief department. Assistant deputy chief 2, battalion chief, deputy director of investments, battalion chief of fire department. Here we are having that same role or not? Like that, we are having lot of roles are there. Mayor, something like firefighter, nursing supervisor, something like battalion chief, department head. Like that, so many jobs are there. You need to find what unique job titles. Really, it's a very good question. How do you get it? Group by on job. You will apply what? Unique. Unique you will apply. Total number of job title contain what? Captains. Yesterday only contains captains. Captain. What is the top title? Captain. Captain. You can write contains. The word called what? Captain. Include case, ignore. Case is equal to ignore. Small captain, capital captain, all words which are there. Ignore is equal to what? Case is ignore is equal to case. So you will get all the words. Small captain, capital letter captain, title case captain, capitalize captain, all the things will be coming by applying what? Contains. Display all the employee names from which department? Fire department. So fire department you have seen. First find the column name and view that column names. The role will be coming fire department. Copy that name and submit. You will get display all the employee names of what? E name you can write it. Employee name. Next, find the minimum and maximum average base pay. AGG function. AGG function. Minimum means MIN. Maximum max. Next is called average. Mean. Group by of what? Group by of what? Job. Group by job. And of what? AGG of that entire thing. That is called salary. Pay. Total pay you take it. Total benefit pay. On that you apply. Replace not provided employee name with what? Column to none. Some employee names are not provided, it seems. What is the mentioned there? Not provided. But you have to put it what? None. How do you do? Replace. Replace. Next, drop the rows having 5 missing values. 5 missing values. How to find the number of missing values? D of dot is now. Is now. Will give you what? True, false, 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 true, true, false, false, like that. What you will do? You will apply what? Positive DF. What you will say? Count. Count. You will get the values or not? So I will apply 5 missing values. Take 5 missing values. Top 5 missing values. What I will do? I'll sort it. Top 5 values will be coming. That I will drop it. How do you drop it? Drop. About already written here. Rasan motto. For all 21 questions, solutions I wrote it. Solutions I wrote it. Like that. Uh, Drop. Find the job title. Job title. All but Pardini. This is also as it is. You need to search for it. Contains. You use the word called contains. Is equal to if you write it as it is, it may not be found. You go to always contains you do. Once you found the title, then you copy the title as it is. How much all but Pardin make? That is including benefits. That is total pay benefit. Is an employee name. He is asking what is his total benefits. Need not to search 1 lakh records. Directly name. Once it is name is matching, pass to DF dot what? That column name. What is that column? Total pay benefits. Display the name of the person having highest base pay. Very easy. Highest base pay. Max or n largest. Sort values. So many number of things are there. And go for what? If you go for ascending is equal to true, ascending is equal to false. Top 5 head row of this and 0. Already I said one day, getting the single value. ND array will come that you need to write. Find the average base pay. Find the average base pay. All employees per year. Employee you will take it. Base pay you will take it. In the year, That year is also given as a column that you can take it. Find the average pay for all the employees. Job title per job title. Base group by fireman, deputy register, something like what different roles are there or not. Group by what job, and I will find what average salary of what mean. I will be getting that average salary of each job title. Average base pay of employees having the accountant job. What is the pay? Base pay. But already base pay undi ikkada. Somewhere else there is a base pay. There is a base pay here. That base pay you need to take it. Average base pay. Same accountant job. Whoever is having accountant job. Find the top most common jobs. Same group by. Whoever is having the job highest, that he will take it. So all of them are given here. So all of them are given here. Here it is available. Five top job title, value count of hot head. So like that. Are you following me? Like this only you need to do it. Okay, students. So after going to home, don't do here and there moving around. First you need to do this. Don't see the solutions. You need to go for it. So Shiva, so you are God, sir. No, I'm not God. I'm KVR only. So I'm just KVR only. So you read well, you will also become. Actually, you are more intelligent than me because I'm having morning to evening Python classes, home, etc. You will be Hyderabad, total Hyderabad is yours. You will here, you go, metro station, you will go everywhere. So will you believe me that I did not even enter into metro rail so far? Even it's my dream to want to visit once in metro rail because time classes time is not there. Even I did not enter to so far in metro rail also. Because of course my home convenient is only on bike or bus. Means that time is not there because you have more time. You are more intelligent. Having good rapport. That's why students, you have to busy always. What is going on adjacent to that you should not know because busy with your subject. Okay now. So then I will give you one more project. So Dhirendra then it's awesome by understanding all this. We got a lot of LOT, lot of confidence, but still, it will be become more solid after doing some practice on all these topics. Dhirendra Jain is a working employee actually. Dhirendra Jain is a working employee. Dhirendra Jain, correct? Sudha, for experience, can we add this project? Sudha, you already asked this question, ma. Dhirendra Jain is yes, sir. Is already said. Sudha, you already asked this question. I already said to somebody asked. I said you can we keep in resume means I said you how to keep it. I said beginning only. I said you have to keep it in the project. నేను చెప్పిన మర్చిపోకండి. Don't forget when I am saying something. Okay, ma Sudha? Yes, 14 years of experience in IT. Dhirendra Jain is having. So when these working people are saying means you have to blindly follow. Blindly. So you have to blindly follow that. So 212 people are there because time is almost over. So when Friday, Saturday coming, you will be planning for weekend underground activities. You will prepare. So anyhow, students, this is about uh, this is about the scenario of PANDAS. Okay now. So like that, I'm having some more project. Some more project is there that I will show to you, students. And this PANDAS index, I said I got my laptop yesterday only.
Hello.
Tomorrow
Hello.
I will show you that index. After completion, everything is completed. I'll show you that index for you. And I will show that entire index. You will say, sir, this formulas itself is more than that index, you will say. What are the formulas I send you already in your place? If you read that, you can challenge anybody else. So, Karthik, underground activities, good or bad? That you have to decide. That you have to decide. When you are in underground, you feel always very good. When you come out of the underground, when you look at the Python notes, you will feel underground activity is very bad. As long as you are in underground, you will feel you are okay, good.
You are
You feel good.
selected
But you come out of the underground by
JC
seeing the
for
Python
you
nodes,
are
you will
selected
feel
for
very bad.
JC Morgan.
That's why until we get the
क्या
job,
मतलब
don't go to
वो मतलब
underground activity. Are you following, students? Right. So, Praveen Tejas, I think very bad. No, don't think it's a bad only. So, come on, Eunice. If you go to underground once, it is difficult to come back up.
हाँ
So, come to the point back. So,
सुबह
all our students are becoming so sincere these
नहीं
days.
मतलब
They don't go to underground.
मैं
If anybody goes to underground,
JC Morgan
all the
में
best for
selected
you. Don't come up again.
तू
Stop. Huh? So, tomorrow I will start matplotlib. Spell out once.
मैं पॉटली
What is mat? Mathematics.
नहीं मैं
Spell out
मम्मी कोई बार बोली तो
plot.
बाबा को पापा
Plot means
वो स्कूल पढ़े बोला
drawing. Lib, you know, lib
जी
library. And for plotting the graphs
सही
using mathematics, we will go for
parent
library. That is
sorry
called
ମାନେ
third
ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ
party
ତାର
module
ରୋଲ ତ
invented by
ତାମାନେ କହିବି
John
ତାକୁ କହିଲେ ସେ
Hunter.
ସବୁ କହିଦବ
John
ସେଥିପାଇଁ
Hunter.
ତାକୁ ତାରିଣୀ
So that I will use it.
ସମସ୍ତେ
As on
କହିବେ
today, matplotlib,
ଆଉ ଦେଖେ
I don't
ଶୁଣ
want to say
ସାଲୁ ଯଦି
it
ନ
is
ଉଠିଲା
not
ତାକୁ
in
ଟେନସନ ଦେଇଦବା ହେଲା
not in
ତାରିଣୀ
exact use
ଟେନସନ
because
ଦେଇଦବା
Power BI
ହେଲା
came into the picture.
ତାପରେ
Power BI. Power
ଟେନସନ
BI already
ଦେଇଦବା
contain
ଘରେ
ready-made
କହିବି
tools are
କହିବି
there.
କହିବି
But
ହଁ
I will write the code for generating the graphs.
ଆଙ୍କେ ଜାଗା ଲାଗିବ
Pie
ମତେ
graph,
କୁଣ୍ଡେଇବା ପାଇଁ ନାଇଁ କି
bar
କଣ
graph,
ପୁଅ ପିଲା ମାନଙ୍କର
stacked bar
କଥା
graph.
ହେଇକି ନାଇଁ
All those graphs I will
ଖାଲି
write.
ଫୋନରେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ
Pandas.
ସାଙ୍ଗରେ
I will
କନଭରସେସନ
carry
କରିକି
pandas, NUMPY. For that I will
ଆଉ
draw the graph.
ମାରିବିନି ତମ ସେମିତିଆ କରୁଛ
Pandas not over. Still, pandas will come once
କେବେ
again to where visualization. That I will
କେବେ
make use of those
କନଫ୍ୟୁଜନ
things. Okay, now? So matplotlib tomorrow. Do you know mathematics?
ଓହୋ
Do you know mathematics?
ଏମିତି କହୁଛୁ
Do you know?
ନେଇକି
You know mathematics?
ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି
Do you know?
କଣ କିଏ କିଏ ତୁ
You know or
ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ
not?
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ତୁ କଣ
You know?
ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ କହିପାରିବୁନି
Do you know?
ଶିଖିବାର ଅଛି ଅଛି
You know
ମୁଁ
mathematics?
କହିବି ଟେନସନ
Okay, don't know.
ବୁଝିବି
Girls, do you know mathematics?
ఇండియా କଥା କଣ ଆସିବ
మా
ମୁଁ
తెలుసా?
ବୁଝିବି
మీరు ప్రతి
ତୁ
ఒక్క
ଖାଲି
దానికి
କହିବୁ ନା
స్టాచ్యూ లాగా ఇట్లా చూస్తూ ఉంటారు ఎందుకు?
జడాను ବୋଲି କହିବ ନା କଣ
ఏ క్వశ్చన్ అడిగినా
ଶରମ ନଥିଲା
ఇట్లా don't do that. So if you make me to fear, it is a very difficult. Okay. Anyhow, students,
କୋଉଠି ଯିବା
I'll stop the session. It's 11 o'clock. Tomorrow class, I'll go for matplotlib. That will take only less time, not taking this because pandas and numpy are very, very important. Matplotlib, variance, covariance, positive correlation, negative correlation, association, all those things I will tell you. Some case studies, real interesting, colorful graphs I will show you. All these things. Again, matplotlib functions will come. Functions will come. Attributes will come inside. Keyword arguments will come. How to remember all these things, sir? That is really important. Correct? That's called career, right or not? Career is important, but personal life is important. Both of them should be balanced. Once career is good, other things will set right automatically. Right or not? Right. That's why. So coming to the point of it, hmm? Pavan Tejas. Pavan Tejas is also one working employee. I hope. Pavan Tejas. Dheerendra Jain. I will I will not join today. So really read by the recording will join on Monday again, sir. Okay. Tomorrow you will not join. So Shiva, when your Django batch will start? Kumar is saying, please tell me the tips, sir. Right. So Pavan Tejas, really, you are my inspiration, sir, because you did all with honest and very dedicated about your subject. Yes. So that I have to. It's my responsibility. So dedication, not for somebody. We have to self-discipline. That is self-discipline. You have to take care. So Karthik is asking, how many day taken, sir? So okay, I will convert because he is my student now. How many days he will take? How many days he will take this matplotlib? I will take 10 days. 10 days. Enough. Actually, 3, 4 days. Actually, people don't teach matplotlib. You see YouTube, JetTube, you see, nothing is there in the tube. And of course, as on today, matplotlib is not using. What is using? Power BI they are using. When I go to bar graph, click on the bar graph, enter the bar values, x axis, y axis, bar graph will come. Who will write the coding? Will anybody write the coding? No. I will integrate to my project. Finished. But I want to tell you matplotlib. So don't miss the class. So, Kumar is asking, tell me that formulas, remember the tips. Offline students are not saying. Are you forgetting? Say quickly. Forgetting? Okay. Yes, sir. Raise the hands. Raise your hands. Thank you. What is wrong in that? Raise the hands. I am also raising my hand. Girls, raise.
No.
మీకు గుర్తుంది కదా ఇంకా చెప్పడం ఎందుకు వేస్ట్ బాయ్స్
गले ना
రిమెంబరింగ్ నా
गले ना
ఓకే సో కమ్ టు
गले जाने दे
enter into the further. Rakesh, we have to practice more practical. So please
हाँ
tell us more project on pandas. Already said. So practice it. I'll send you some more things for you. You can do that. So
मुझे
anyhow, students,
तप्पू की
take
आवाज़
care.
करी मैंने
And
मुझे
tomorrow class, don't forget. Because you are not telling that
तू
you are
कॉल
forgetting.
कॉल ना
All of you are remembering.
मुझे
So I need not to
हाँ
tell you the tip. Already you are
मत्ते भी मैं
fully
कॉल नहीं
aware of
करी
that.
तू चोरा बड़े फोन कर लू
Anyhow,
घुसरी ना ले
so Sarita, big wall. Please, Dejango, please start, sir.
पता है
Okay. Whichever batch they
तो
allot
कॉल
to me, I will do the
कॉल
same
बोला ना
justification in all the times.
ताको पिट
All the
दे
times.
मौत या
So
सुया
Python you have seen,
मन
Django you have seen,
मौत नहीं तू कॉल
sorry,
दिला नहीं तू
NumPy pandas you have seen. You are going to see matplotlib also.
हाँ कॉल तो कॉल
One
दिला
on the
तू
top
भी
of
कॉल
other
दिला
you have to
क्या
teach. How
वेस्ट
it will come? When you are intelligent, first of all. When you are intelligent, first of all, that intelligent
भद्र
subject
राजा
will come out.
समझ तुम घंटे दो जांच
Correct. So now, tomorrow I will tell you. Don't worry. Tomorrow also I am giving chance to these offline people. Tomorrow, if they say not remembering,
तू
then I will tell you.
जागा
Compulsory, I will tell you. It will work out. Last and final. 1 minute, I will ask you. Anybody forgetting? Raise the hands.
ବେଶୀ ବେକାର କଥା କହନା ତୁ ଯଦି କହିକି
ఏదో ఉంది
ତୁ
ఇందులో
ଯଦି
కదా
ମୋ ଭୋଜି ଯାଇଥିବୁ ତାରିଣୀ ସତ
ఓకే
କହୁଛି ନେକ୍ସଟ ଟାଇମ୍
ఓకే
ତୋ
స్టూడెంట్స్
ମୁଁ
డోంట్
ଯିବିନି
వరీ
ସେ
టైమ్ ఈజ్ అప్
ମତେ
టేక్
ପାଟି
కేర్
କଲେ
క్యారీ
ପାଟି
ఆన్
କର ମୁଁ ଯିବିନି
స్టూడెంట్స్ ఐ విల్ స్టాప్ దిస్ నౌ సో టైమ్ ఈజ్ ఓవర్ ఐ విల్ స్టాప్ ఇట్ అండ్ టుమారో క్లాస్ విల్ మీట్ ఫర్ ఇట్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్
ହଉ